Everyone, welcome back to table topic session. And I know it's been time since I recorded the videos. And the thing is that the last year focus was on quantity, and now this year focus has been shifted to the quality. So without wasting any time, mm, let's jump on to the table topic. The table topic is pets are for people who don't have children. Pets are for people who don't have children. Uh, let's talk about pets. Pets are animals that people keep in their home for companionship, entertainment, or sometimes production as well. The saying is a common belief that pets are for people, for those who don't have children. It's explore the dynamics of parenthood and the pet ownership. So why does it matter? Well, this statement suggests that pets are the substitute for the children, which uh, which I disagree with it. And in my opinion, whether you have pets or children or both, it's your own choice. And they both have value and their importance in our lives. So it's not about one versus the other. And so what's the takeaway? Uh, what what is something that we can take it from this topic? Well, this saying this is important in a way that it uh, that we all should appreciate and respect the choices of others, and if someone has pet or children or both, it's their own choice. And both of them, children or pets, they bring joy to our lives. And so we should not view it as a one versus other. We should view it as it's your choice whether you have pet or not, whether you will have children or not. It's your own choice, and they both have their own importance. So, to sum it up, this saying prompts us to reflect on the importance of both in own our own lives, so that we can understand better, and we do not think it is pets are only for those who don't have children. Thank you.